Hi everyone, good day. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to get voice chat on Roblox Mobile. Okay, first things first, we need to actually go to our settings. To do that in the Roblox app, just go to the bottom right and tap on the three dots. Then scroll down and see you go. And see the option for settings here in the More menu. Click on Account Info, and then the first requirement for being able to go and enable voice chat on Roblox is that you are at least 13 years old. So once you are at least 13 years old, what I recommend doing is making sure you've got a verified email address and a verified phone number. This is because if you are 13 and have got a verified email and phone number, sometimes you can go and use voice chat without having to go and verify your age with an ID. To enable voice chat, click on account info and make sure your birthday is set correctly because it's going to go and compare it with your ID. Then, click on verify my age and go through the verification process with a valid ID, such as driver's license, passport, ID card, or even your residence permit. Now, I'm going to show you a Roblox game and how you can use it in the game. Here, we are currently in a Roblox game which has a voice chat. And as you can see above our character, we've got this microphone icon. To allow people to start hearing you, tap this to enable voice chat. To adjust your settings, just tap on the Roblox icon at the top left and then click on the gig or cog icon. And you may need to adjust the volume settings in the Roblox settings separately from your device volume. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you. And that's it. You can now get voice chat on Roblox Mobile. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.